Hello, Namaste, and welcome to Grade 12 Informatic Practices class. This is practical approach to describe your solution, and subject code is 065 for the student of session 2024 and 2025. We are taking subject database management system, and we will solve the sample question paper prepared by CBSE, and the topic covered in this video is character function and date function. Okay, so practically we will learn how to solve the question. Our approach will be totally practical approach. Okay, why we are focusing on practical approach? Because we think after learning topic, after discussing topic, after understanding the topic, we thought that answer will be that, but if we will go through the practical approach, we will found some kinds of error. So if we go through practical approach, we will get the correct answer, so that we can write the correct answer in the examination. To write the correct answer in the examination, we must have practical approach, and we request all the IP student of grade 12 to please go through the practical approach. We have sufficient time now to make practice upon the topics. Very few topics are there in database management system, and if we focus on that topic, we will have a good result in the examination. So today we will discuss upon the sample question paper prepared by CBSE. So without wasting time, today we will discuss upon the topic character function, and question number 26. Question number 26 is write outputs for SQL queries 1 to 3 which are based on the given table purchase. So this is table purchase, and we have 5 columns: C name, C number, CT, quantity, and DOP. Okay, and these are the C name, these are name of customer name. Okay, and on the basis of that they are asking question. So first create the table. Simply we have to create the table. Okay, in my first video I have discussed how to create a table. Okay, so first create a table. After creating, select star from purchase. This is my table I have created just as asked in the question paper. Okay, so just match the value. Gurpreet, Malika, Nadar, Sahib, Mehak, all the values are same as given in the question paper. So first question is select length C name from purchase where quantity is greater than 100. Okay, so we have to find the length of C name. We have to find the length of C name. Okay, where quantity purchased is greater than 100. So quantity purchased greater than 100 is 150. Greater than 100 is 150, that is purchased by Gurpreet, and we have to find the length of C name. Okay, so 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, length is 8. Okay, so how we will write that query in database management system using SQL? Select length C name from purchase where quantity is greater than 100. So total length is 8. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Okay, so Gurpreet has length 8. Okay, length 8 character length. Now our next question is select C name from purchase where month DOP is equals to 3. What will be output of the output of that? Select C name from purchase where month DOP equals to 3. Month DOP equals to 3. Okay, so month is March, so month 3, month number 3 is not available here. Okay, in DOP column month 3 is not here. We have either 2 or 6 or 12 or 10 or 10. Okay, so if you will write that query, it will give me no row selected. Okay, so select C name from purchase where DOP month equals to 3. This is command of MySQL. This is correct command. Okay, but in SQL we will write the same command like this. We will write the same command like this. Select CNAME from purchase where 2 char DOP mm, 2 char DOP mm equals to 3. Okay, so it is giving me no row selected. Now our next question is select mod quantity day DOP from purchase where city equals to Chandigarh. Okay, so we will solve that question step by step. Okay, so day DOP, we have to find out the day of DOP. So it will give me day, like if it is Sunday it will give me 1, if it is Monday it will give me 2, if it is Tuesday it will give me 3. So accordingly it will give me numbers. Okay, so it is giving me numbers. Okay, so first find the day, then we will go for the mod function. Okay, first go for the day function, then I will go for the mod function. To write the day function in SQL, we will write like this. Okay, select star from purchase, this is my select. To like to write day, we will write select 2 char DOP comma D from purchase where city equals to Chandigarh. Same question. Okay, but we are finding only day. What will be day? In that day will be 1 and 4. Chandigarh, where name is Chandigarh. Okay, Chandigarh, the day is 1 and 4. 1 means it is Sunday, and this 4 means Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. 4 means Wednesday. So it will be Sunday and Wednesday. Okay, so 10th October 2021 and 20 October 2021, this will be Sunday and this will be Wednesday. 10th October will be Sunday and 20th October will be Wednesday. So it is giving me the day in the form of numbers 1 and 4. Okay, now go to the another part of the question. Okay, so if I will write D, if I will write like DD, okay, it will give me date. Okay, it will give me date. Okay, so it is 10 and 20. If I will write DD, it is giving me 10 and 20. So it is giving me 10 and 20. In D, it is giving me the day, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday. Likewise for DD, it is giving me the date, 10th October and 20th October. So it is giving only 10 and 20. Okay, so these are the function. First we should aware about the function. Instead of D, if I will write day, so it is giving me Sunday and Wednesday. Clear? So to display the day, we are using 2 char DOP comma DD comma D. Okay, so we are using 2 char DOP comma D. Okay, so let's clear screen, and this is our table. Finally go to the solution. Our question is select mod quantity day DOP from purchase where city equals to Chandigarh. Okay, so we will go for select mod. Mod is a function, mod function, where quantity comma 2 char, so it will return 1 and 4, 1 comma 4 from purchase where city equals to Chandigarh, city equals to Chandigarh, and this will return 1 and 4. Okay, mod quantity will return what is the quantity? Total quantity is 50 and 15. Okay, so 50 mod will return the remainder value. Okay, so if I will write 50 mod 5, okay, so it means if I will divide 50 by 5, what will be the remainder value? If I will divide 50 by 5, so it will give me remainder as 0. So 50 mod 5 equals to 0. Okay, so 50 mod 1 is 0, and 50 mod 4 3s are 12, and remainder is 3. So it should give me mod quantity is 50 and 15. Okay, and here 2 char DOP D is 1 and 4. Okay, 1 and 4. So 50 will be divided by 1 and 15 will be divided by 4, and mod function will give me remainder value after division. Okay, so select mod quantity comma 2 char DOP comma D from purchase where city equals to Chandigarh. This will give me output. Okay, this is same question as given in the question paper. Okay, this is the same question. Select mod quantity day DOP from purchase where city equals to Chandigarh. This is the same question. Okay, given in the question paper, and answer will be 0 and 3. Okay, because 50 mod 1 equals to 0. If I will divide 50 by 1, remainder will be 0, and if I will divide 15 by 4, remainder value will be 3. Okay, so it is giving me 0 and 3. So this is the final answer. Okay, and if you have any doubt, please write in the comment box. I can available live if you want. Okay, so I can clear the topic in live in Facebook or YouTube, whatever you want, in any of the channel. Thank you for watching, and please comment.